Namaste, welcome to Hamsayoga. This is me Gangothriyogini. Welcome back to another mudra episode 23. This mudra is bit advanced mudra, but it's not difficult to practice or difficult to perform this mudra, but also it comes under advanced mudras. So this mudra is also increase the energy in the body. So let us see what is the name of the mudra. So the mudra name is Matanga Mudra or Matangi Mudra. So this mudra is called by two names. So some books they written as a Matanga, so some book they written as a Matangi Mudra. So the Sanskrit word Matangi means a female elephant. By practicing of this mudra, believe that it increases the power in the body, how the elephant have stamina, so like that the stamina will be increased in our body. So this mudra also have a two purpose. One is therapeutical purpose and second one is spiritual practice. This mudra is also practiced in the way of achieving something. If you want to achieve something in your life, just practice this mudra. Gives us more push for you. So let us see how to perform this Matanga Mudra. As in this mudra, the middle finger is been tipping up. So how the goddess of Matangi gives us the energy, same way this mudra gives us the energy. Let us see how to practice or how to perform this mudra. Now slowly bring your palms, close your palms, interlock your whole finger and make your middle finger straight. Let your middle finger be straight. Don't bend your finger. The tip should be pointed to upward. So this mudra has no precaution. You should practice this mudra as long as possible. Even there is no contraindication for this mudra. Anyone can practice this mudra at any time. So let us see few benefits of this mudra. Before that, the duration of this mudra to proper benefit, you should practice 15 to 20 minutes. Even if you feel hard to practice, you can just break down the time into 5 minutes or 3 minutes kind of way. Yes, let us see few benefits. This mudra improve the stamina and also improve your blood circulation and also good for your all nerve system. This mudra is also good for reduce the joint pain. So even this mudra helps you to reduce the teeth pain and all. So you can just practice if you have a teeth pain kind of thing. Yes. This mudra sends energy to the Manipura chakra as a middle finger is touching to each other. So it stimulates the fire element which is linked to our digestive system. So this mudra is good for digestion and also reduce the all muscles pain in the body, especially chest and the abdomen. This mudra is also reduce the acidity and gas problem due to our internal tension. And also this mudra is good for your heart. It makes your heart calm. This mudra is also practiced during the pranayama, asana, like Virabhadrasana, Tadasana. So there are so many asana that you can include this mudra. So while you are doing this mudra in between of asana practice, it will push up you more. It will strengthen up your body. It will make you easy to practice the asana. That's it for today. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family. Let us practice the mudra every day. Let us become more healthy and happily. See you on next video. Till then, take care and namaste. Be happy.